So to start it off, I shopped. I couldn't resist myself from shopping from the Nykaa Diwali Dhamaka sale because there were like so many great discounts going on, and you know how much I love makeup, and you know I cannot resist from shopping. And if there's makeup and discounts put together, I'm all game for it. So I thought I should share my haul with you guys as well, because the sale is still on till the 22nd, I guess. So you can also go ahead and shop, because I know if you're watching me, you are also a makeup lover just like me, and it's never too bad to get extra discounts because I love discounts. So yes, I'm gonna dive right into my haul and show you guys what I got. To start off, it was also well packaged and nothing broke, so I am so happy, because if something breaks in my haul, I'm like, The first thing I can see in my box is this Makeup Revolution Vivid Baked Highlighter. This is what it looks like. It's in the shade Peach Lights. I think it comes in two shades, Pink Lights and Peach Lights. I'm gonna open it up for you guys and show it to you as well. The MRP of this was 650 rupees, but as I said, discounts. So I'm gonna open it up. So this is what it looks like. Doesn't it look so gorgeous? Let me swatch it as well for you. So this is what the highlighter looks like. It gives off such a beautiful glow. I can't wait to use it. The amount of products that I've bought, I think I can do like a full face of first impression. So let me know if you'd like to see that. So do not forget to comment or thumbs up to this video, so I would know that you would like to see a full face of first impressions. So yes, this is what the highlighter looks like. Beautiful. Next up in my box, I have this L'Oreal Infallible Stay Fresh Foundation Fights Makeup Meltdown for 24 hours. This is what it looks like. The shade that I have ordered is Golden Beige Z140, and this is what it looks like. Hopefully it will match my shade. I'm really looking forward for it to match my shade. I've heard great things about this foundation, and I cannot wait to try it. And I think it has a pump thing. Oh, it's sealed as well. So this is what the pump looks like, and this is the cap, and it goes right there, and this is what the foundation looks like. Next up, I have Makeup Revolution Iconic Blush, Bronze and Brighten palette. I am loving highlighters at the moment. Like currently, I just wear highlighter and then I go out shamelessly, because I feel that highlighters are such a great thing. Also, the MRP for this L'Oreal foundation was 1325, but I think I got it for around 800 or 900 rupees, which is a great deal. There was like a 25% off going on this. I would leave the links to every makeup product that I'm showing you guys in the bottom bar, so you can go ahead and buy the same product, and we can be product twinsies forever. So because makeup doesn't get over, let's be real. So yes, I will link everything for you in the bottom bar. Coming back to the Makeup Revolution palette, this is what it looks like. As I told you guys, it's in the shade Smolder, and this is the packaging. I really like Makeup Revolution's packaging. It's really sleek and chic and classy. And this is, oh, the plastic flew away, and this is what it looks like from inside. I love the blush shade, which is a pretty pink, and then there's a highlight shade and the contour shade. Honkers. Let me swatch all three for you, and my nose is just going. So yes, I'll swatch the contour shade first. This is what the contour shade looks like. It's a really natural contour shade, which I like because I'm not much of a, stark contouring person. I like to contour, but it shouldn't look like I've contoured. So yes, this is the highlight, and oh my gosh, it's so gorgeous. And then for the blush, oh, it's pretty as well. It's a really pretty pink shade. So I really like that. So that was the Makeup Revolution Blush, Bronze and Brighten palette for you guys. Let's put it behind us. Then I got the Maybelline Clean Express Total Cream Clean Makeup Remover. I already have this, but I'm about to finish that, so I thought I should get a backup because I'm getting it at a discounted price right now. Also, I forgot to tell you the price of this Makeup Revolution palette, which retailed for 850 rupees, which is a great thing because you're getting 3 products, but also it was on discount, so you can get it for even cheaper. So that's amazing. So yes, coming back to the Maybelline Makeup Remover, this retails for 300 rupees, but obviously there's a discount going on this as well. It's a great makeup remover. It does its job really nicely. It removes all sort of makeup from your face, which I really like. So yes, this is a backup thing for me. I would be doing an empties video soon, so let me know if you're interested or excited about the empties, because I am about to finish this up as well. Like not this one, this is brand new, like the older one. So yes, I bought a backup for my Maybelline Total Clean Express. Talking about backups and Maybelline, I got the Maybelline Colossal Volume Express Mascara again because I'm about to run out of my previous one. If you've seen my top 10 mascara, then you know that I love this baby right here, so I thought I should get a backup. This retails for 350 rupees and it's an amazing mascara. Although I do see a price MRP of 375 right here, but I got it on a discount, so I don't really mind because it's a great mascara. I also got a backup for my Revlon watertight mascara right here because I also love this mascara, and because winters are coming up, and I said in my top 10 mascara videos as well, I love using this mascara during winter times because it's not waterproof but it's water resistant, so it doesn't melt down in the daytime, but when you're removing at night time it goes away really easily. So I got a backup for that as well. Not a backup, I emptied that one out, so I bought another one because I really like this mascara. I don't know the MRP of this, but I would list all the prices in the bottom part for you guys as well. Next up, I got a Rimmel lipstick. This is the Moisture Renew lipstick in the shade 260 Amethyst Sheer. If you can see my lips, you can tell that I'm really into purples and plums right now because I'm really liking that color. And this shade looks like this. It got a bit budged on the top, but I don't really mind that because I have to use it anyways. So I'll show you guys the swatch for this lipstick. It's a gorgeous plummy sort of a wine purplish shade. Yes, that's the shade right there, which you can see. I love the shade. It's really pretty. This lipstick retails for 500 rupees, but as I told you guys, great discounts. Hallelujah. Then I also got a Maybelline Color Show lipstick right here. This is in the shade Chocolate. I really thought that this shade looked like Kylie Jenner sort of a shade, at least online. We're gonna open it up and see what it looks like in real life. These lipsticks retail for, I guess, 250 rupees. But as I said, all the MRPs would be in the bottom bar because I'm not really sure of the MRPs. And yes, I would link it as well for you guys. Alright, success, and the cap also came off with the plastic. This is what the shade looks like. I love the fragrance. I'm gonna swatch it for you. Ooh, it's a pretty color. I really like the color. It's a really gorgeous color. It is a brown with pink undertones, just like I said. It's exactly what there was in the swatch, like on the website. So I'm really happy with this purchase. Then I got the Plum Nature Studio pencil, and I couldn't really wait myself from using this. This retails for 425 rupees, and this is what it looks like. I'll swatch it for you. It's like a jet black pencil. It's a gorgeous pencil. It stays on your eyes forever and ever, and it's just amazing pencil. I had heard really great things about this color, so I couldn't really refrain myself from trying it out. So I got it, and I think it's a great purchase, and every one of you should go ahead and buy this. Then I got this Makeup Revolution palette right here. This is in the shade Mermaids vs Unicorn. It's the Redemption palette. It retails for 1050 rupees, but there are discounts, as I've told you guys a gazillion times now, and I should stop with that. I'm gonna open it up for you guys and show it to you. The color shade is gorgeous. It has different sort of greens and blues and purples, and if it agrees to open up without breaking my nail, that would be really great. So this is what the palette looks like from the inside, and aren't those colors just so gorgeous? I'm not swatching all of these for you because a lot of swatches and I don't even have place on my hand now. So yes, these are all of the colors that are there in the palette, and the applicator just dropped like always. And yes, I love the color selection. Then up I got the L'Oreal Matte Magique All-in-One Matte Transforming Powder. Again, I've heard great things about this, had to try it, plus it's really affordable. It retails for 399 rupees, and there's an off going on L'Oreal as a complete brand, so I thought I should try it out. And I got the shade, which shade is this? Golden Ivory G2, and this is what the packaging looks like. It's a really cutely packaged product. I'm gonna open it up, and this is what it looks like from the inside, and yes, it will match me hopefully. And it has a puff and a mirror down there, which looks like this, and you can close it back up. And this is the Matte Magique All-in-One Matte Transforming Powder for you guys. Then I got a Nykaa nail paint. Nykaa has launched its own variety of nail paint, which is great, and they have like really cool selection, color selection, and they retail for 150 rupees. And I got the shade Mint Meringue, and this is what it looks like. I love this shade. I've had this shade earlier as well, and I ran out of that shade, like not from Nykaa but from some other company. So I thought I have to get this one because it looks so pretty. And this is what the packaging looks like. They've kept the packaging really classy and sleek as well, so I really like that. and this is the shade. Also, there's like a great thing going on, like if you buy 2 Nykaa nail paints, then you get free shipping, so you don't have to buy up to like 1,000 rupees to get free shipping. You can just add in 2 nail polishes and you'll get free shipping. Then I got this super liner Gillmatic from L'Oreal. This retails for 425 rupees originally, but I think I got it at a great rate. I'll open it up for you guys. This is in the shade Silver, I'm guessing, if I'm not wrong, if I remember what I bought. So yes, this is what it looks like, and the shade is, I cannot still tell you guys what shade this is because I don't know what shade this is, but it looks like silver. So yes, this is the Gillmatic pencil and it is silver. I'll swatch it for you guys. Oh, it's really smooth, and this is what it looks like, and it's really metallic and shiny. I like it. Now let's move on to parcel number 2 and what I got in this parcel. So this as well is really nicely packed. I ordered more Nykaa nail paints because, as I told you guys, you get free shipping once you order 2 or more nail paints. So this color is a really beautiful coppery sort of a gold color, and it's in the shade Christmas Pudding. It's a really gorgeous shade. It has a metallic finish to it, which I really like. The third nail paint that I bought was Bubble Yum, which is a pretty pink nail polish. I'm really excited to wear this one because it's a really candy sort of a pink color, and I am all about that life. Then I got the Revlon Color Stay Moisture Stain. Again, I'm really excited to try this out because I've heard great things about this. It's in the shade New York Scene, and this is what it looks like. Let me open it up for you guys. It doesn't really have any particular fragrance. I'll swatch it for you, and this is what the applicator looks like. It's a pretty raspberry sort of a shade. Hope you can see that. Yes, this is the shade. It's a pretty raspberry kind of shade. Really digging the shade. I'm not really sure how much this retails for because it doesn't say it anywhere, but as usual it would be in the bottom bar. Then I got the Iba Halal Pure Lips Moisture Rich Lipstick. Some of you guys wanted me to review these, so I thought I should get my hands onto them while I can get it on a discounted rate. This retails for 195 rupees, but I did get it for a discount, and the shade that I ordered is Pink Nectar. Also, if you want a review on any of the products that you've seen, do not forget to, just comment below, and I would love to review it for you guys. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's a golden packaged thing, and this is the lipstick shade. I'll swatch it for you. Oh, it's also a really pretty shade. Here it is. If you can see that, hopefully you can. This is what Pink Nectar looks like. It has like a normal herbally sort of a fragrance, which most of the herbal lipsticks tend to have. And for the last purchase of this haul, I got the L'Oreal Color Rich Lipstick in the shade Arabian Night. This is their Moist Matte Collection, and it retails for 925 rupees. But obviously, as I have said a gazillion times, and I'm still saying I said it a gazillion times and I'm still repeating, you can get it on discount, and I'll show you the shade. Oh, as I told you guys, plums, purples and deep colors are giving me life right now. I'll swatch it for you. This is such a gorgeous shade. I cannot legit wait to wear it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and my haul, and if you did, then please rate, comment and subscribe. Do not forget to check out Nykaa and their great Diwali Dhamaka sale. I would leave links to everything in the bottom bar, so it's really easy for you guys. And yes, I will see you guys on Monday. Till then, do not forget to follow me on all my social media. All my social media would be listed down below for you guys, and I love you so much. Mwah. Take care. Bye.